What's up, guys? So I got a call from a family member that lives out. This property is probably about 60 miles from my house. It's Old City's gas station. They had a mechanic shop on this side and a restaurant on that side. The building's been empty for a long time, but I do own it. It's on like 3 or 4 acres, but I guess some girls broke into this last night and got arrested. Got the car towed, so we're out here putting up some security cameras and some lights. And then I'll have to get down here with the brush cutter and clean this property up because it just looks abandoned. Pay the taxes on it, don't really do nothing. Here's my aunt right now. So, a lot of junk here. Property goes all the way back to those tall trees out there, so we'll get out here and get this property cleaned up probably in a week or two. Get it maintained, looking better. There's some other stuff with people trying to, I guess the property's listed for sale, but it's not for sale, so I'm trying to figure this all out. Just want to do a quick update of what we're doing today on Sunday before Memorial Day.